Good morning, students. Welcome to online session of social sciences. In previous class, we have studied about ecological system or ecosystem. In today's class, we are going to understand biodiversity. A great variety of living organisms are found on the earth. Now, dear students, you all know that great variety means a large amount of variety of living organisms are found on the earth. This biological diversity is described as biodiversity. Now, biodiversity is a word which is the combination of two words. First is biological, second is diversity. Now, we'll see the meaning. Meaning of biological is related to biology or living things. Meaning of diversity, differences. Hence, we can say biodiversity means a lot of difference or differences of living things. It has developed over billion of years. It is believed that about 3 billion years ago, the first single-celled creatures appeared in the primordial soup. Means it was taking or it was developing year after year, and it took about billions of years for their development. And it is also believed that about 3 billion years ago the first single celled creature has been appeared, and that appeared in the primordial soup. Primordial soup means a solution rich in organic compounds in the ancient ocean of the earth. Means ancient ocean means that ocean we are having today, not that one. That ocean which was present in ancient time, that kind of ancient ocean. Hence, life first appeared in the ancient seas. Now, it has been said that the first life has been appeared or seen in the sea, which was there in ancient time. As time went on, more complex forms appeared in the water till some better adapted finally climbed out onto dry land. Means the first life was appeared in the ancient sea. Now what happened? Gradually they were developing, and they have developed in a very complex manner. Complex means which were very difficult to understand, or you can say complicated. They were appearing in that manner. First they were in the water, later on they started adapting means they were adjusting themselves in new condition. And finally what happened? Finally they came out of water onto dry land. Means earlier they were in the water, but after developing, after adapting the new conditions, they came out from the water onto dry land. These gradual development, diversification, proliferation of species is known as evolution. Now the gradual means taking place in stages over a period of time. Means it was not sudden, it was gradual. Means slowly the development was going on. Then diversification means that was become very varied. Means variety were started, they started developing their own varieties. And proliferation means they started reproducing or increasing rapidly in the number. Now all these three process, first development, second diversification, third proliferation of species, is known as evolution. Or in simple words we can say the process by which different kinds of animals and plants develop from earlier forms is called evolution. A group of organisms having the greatest mutual resemblance and which are able to reproduce, grow and adapt is called species. Now what is the meaning of species? A group of organisms which are having greatest means a lot of mutual resemblance. Means they were sharing by two or more than two. Resemblance means look or like, means they were looking same more than two or more than two. And later they were able to reproduce means to produce young ones, and after that they started growing themselves. Growing means to develop and get bigger, and later on they adapt also. What they have adapt, meaning of adapt is became adjusted to new conditions. So these four things were there. First, they were look like, means they were looking same. Then they were able to reproduce, means increase themselves. Then they able to grow, means to get in bigger size. Then adapt means to adjust themselves with new condition. All these kind of organisms together called species. It is a basic indicator for knowing the condition of our biological environment. Now, with the help of this all characteristics, we can easily understand the condition of our biological environment or living organisms environment. The diversification process is responsible for diversity. Diversification process means to becoming more varied, means many varieties were developing that time. That is responsible for the biodiversity. Now man is a part of this biodiversity. As man is living organism, it is also the part of biodiversity.